Guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and here we are yet again to do a short forex market recap on how gold has behaved lately. And it's the first day of the week and I have some really interesting things to show you guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and just a quick recap, we're gonna do a short recap of what happened in the gold forex trading market today. And I have some really interesting things to show you guys, some really powerful positions and some really intense trends. So I'm so excited for you guys to see this and to learn from this stuff, because that's why we are here. So let's jump right into those charts. Okay guys, so what you see right now on the screen is of course the XAUUSD gold forex trading chart for today, and also a little tad bit of the last time the market closed, and I'm going to get into that in a second. However, the first thing that you would notice if you're new here is the strange or let's say beautifully looking chart that I'm showing on the screen right now. Now this is not your usual traditional candlestick chart. This is very unique, very different, and a very own invention of the TradeLabs team. Now what you see on the screen is a proprietary indicator called the momentum trading indicator. This is a very powerful indicator that you can use in order to understand better the market that you are following. Now, just to explain better what you see on the screen right now, this is absolutely unique. So you have this set of green bars and red bars. These are basically the price bars and how the market is moving, as well as you have the red and the green areas here, or shapes if you want to call them. These are basically the direction of the market, which is very, very important as a forex trader to know how the market is moving or what direction the market is actually taking in that day. Now, obviously, if you want to be good at forex trading, you need to be good at knowing how the market moves and getting the direction right. Now this is extremely crucial for those of you who are new at gold forex trading. If you don't get the direction right, you are most likely going to struggle in trading forex. So if you want to improve at trading the XAUUSD market, you really need to get the direction right, and you really need to know how gold usually behaves, which that means everything. Like, you need to study long-term charts, short-term charts, just to understand exactly, based on your indicator, what decisions you should make, and of course at what time. Now obviously the momentum trading indicator for me has completely changed how I'm looking at the gold forex trading market, because this is giving you exactly what you need and also alerting you of a starting point of a trend. Now what you see on the screen right here, this red arrow and additionally the blue arrow that you see on the screen here, these are basically the actual announcements or the notifications that you will receive from the momentum trading indicator when the gold forex trading market or any other forex trading market has a new trend starting. So to recap, in order to be really good at forex trading and at gold forex trading in particular, you need to get the direction right, and this momentum trading indicator is offering you exactly that, just telling you when to get in, when to get out, and alerting you of the starting point of a change. This also is in your benefit because you don't need to stick around watching this chart all day long. You can just go about your day, and of course the indicator will alert you, like audibly alerting you of that change. So you can come straight in, have a look at what's happening, and then take a decision right there and then. Now what you see on the screen right here, it's your candlestick, very original, very old indicator, which doesn't quite help in terms of decisions. It's all a bunch of squiggly lines where nothing is clear, the information is absolutely lost in this table, especially if you're new at forex trading, and you cannot take like an informed decision based on something that you don't understand. You simply cannot. So the beauty of the momentum trading indicator is that you can transform all of this with just one click of your mouse into this beautiful chart, which is telling you again, this is telling you exactly what you need, how the market is going in terms of price, the actual trend of the market, the direction of the market, and also alerting you of any starting point of a change. Coming back to the actual chart, which you see on the screen right here, this looks pretty impressive. Like, you can understand just by looking at it, even if you don't have any kind of experience in the gold forex trading market, you understand a really long green line means really good news. And at this point is extremely good news. Now, the reason why I'm showing you guys this snippet right here, including the market from the 18th of February, if you knew on the 18th of February what you were looking at towards the end of the market day, you would have closed the trade just around, I don't know, 20 past 7. And your potential pips would be over the moon. Now, what you see on the screen right here is the exact moment where the momentum trading indicator has indicated on the 18th of February that at 10 past 11 in the morning, you had a trend change. And you can clearly see, I also indicated a green arrow right here where you can clearly see where the market trend change. Now, obviously, this is not your usual kind of trade, yes? This is a more advanced kind of situation, which if you had the momentum trading indicator working for you behind the scenes, reading the chart data and pretty much showing you all this information in a clear, more in your face kind of information, you would have been able just like this to pull this decision right here, or actually these two decisions, where to go in and where to go out. At this moment in time, we should talk about the potential pips out of this trade. If you pay attention to this, this is a really powerful move. If you just consider the potential of this trade right here, between these 2 days, it would have been massive difference. A massive difference. You would have entered somewhere around 1891, but you would have exited somewhere around 1908, which gives you a really nice difference of 17 points. Now, for those of you who are new here, hi, glad you made it this far. Hope you found it useful. Points are not pips, but I will show you guys exactly how to calculate your pips. This is really easy to do, to be honest. In order to get your pips from your points, you just need to multiply the number of points that you have with 100, and there you go, you have your pips. So in this case, 17 points times 100, of course, it gives you 1700 pips. Now, let me repeat that clear. 1700 pips into one trade. If you were paying attention at the market, this is as easy as it gets because you cannot beat this at all. This indicator is so powerful, telling you what to do, when to do, and alerting you. So you literally, what is left for you to do is to take that decision, and that's it. And you have the moment just now in the description down below. You have the opportunity to at least try this, at least give it a try, and you would see just how important and significant improvement can this bring to your daily trading skills. Just give it a go. Trust me on this. You have nothing to lose but to gain. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed the XAUUSD Gold Forex Trading Market recap because it's been a very interesting journey to have. This was a very powerful move if you were paying attention to it and if you had the momentum trading indicator to help you guys. But yeah, that's just another crazy day in the gold forex trading market. And I'm so here for it, and so are all the gold forex traders out there. Anyways, if you would like to try our new trend trading indicator, then don't forget to click the link below and sign up for a free trial. Also, if you found today's video informative and you really like it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. It would help us quite a lot. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.